Assembly instruction. Camel. Tools included: screwdriver, Phillips and slotted 2-in-1, double open-end wrench, 13 mm, 15 mm, Allen wrench, 5 mm, 6 mm. Tools needed: scissor, bike pump. Let's start assembling your Nakto Camel. Step 1. Unpack the e-bike. Pull the frame and all parts, charger, seat, toolkit, keys, nut caps and pedals out of cardboard box. Ensure all the following pieces are included with the Nakto Elegance. Keep this spare fuse in a safe place. It will be used for the replacement if the original fuse were damaged. Step 2. Assemble the front wheel. First, loose the axle nuts on both sides. We need to make enough space to put the front fork. Lift the front of the bike and lower the fork onto the wheel. Make sure it is in the right position. Then we screw back the nuts and tighten it. Step 3. Install the handlebar. First, insert the handlebar stem into this. Then we tighten this screw. Make sure the handlebar and front wheel are properly aligned. Step 4. Install front fender and headlight. Take off the screw first. Attach the fender and front light to the front fork. Then we tighten together with screw. You can adjust the angle of front light with this screw. Step 5. Adjust the brake system. You can tight or loose this to screw to adjust the front brake. You need to make sure this does not move and also this disc stay in the middle of your brake. Just like this, in the middle of the brake system. If it touches left or right, you need to readjust the 2 screws. You can roll the front wheel and hear if there's a friction sound while you are adjusting the 2 screws. If there is, it means you need to continue adjusting. Step 6. Insert the seat post. Insert seat post into seat tube. Adjust the seat post up or down to a comfortable height, while ensuring the seat post is inserted into the frame past the minimum insertion point. Then close the quick release lever. Step 7. Install the pedals. The pedal within R means it is the right pedal. The right pedal goes on the crank on the right side of the bike. The remaining pedal within L is the left pedal. The left pedal goes on the crank on the left side of the bike. The left pedal's reverse threaded and tightens counterclockwise. Carefully thread the pedal onto the crank by hand slowly. The right pedals is different. It is turning clockwise. Step 8. Install basket. First, we install the holder for the basket. Take off the screws on each side. Then we attach the holder to it. Make sure you find the correct spot. Then we tighten the screw back. Then we use all of these parts to install basket. First, we need these 5. We put screws through and connect the basket to the fork. Put nuts on it and tighten it. Then we need these 4. Put one on top and put another on the other side. Then tighten it with screw. In the end, we snap the cover into place. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled Camel. Register warranty card with us as soon as possible. Keep proof of purchase in a safe place. Keep packing and box for at least 2 weeks from the date of purchase, as we do not provide a box for returns if needed.